What's up, y'all? So,
oh, that ain't record.
You is.
Oh, I'm recording?
Yeah, you recording. What's up, y'all? So we finna go in ULTA because I'm about to do $100 beauty haul. What's up, Lamar? We're about to go in ULTA. I'm in here now. How was my fit? It's not.
I'm just the cameraman today, y'all.
I think so.
Let me see the line.
It's by Too Faced. Y'all already know. Born This Way. Because you can't go wrong with Too Faced. But it's like I'm yellow right here.
Lightweight. Long wearing. Well, yeah, we catch y'all in a minute because we ain't really doing it. Look, it's the girl that's trying to make me start. Go to ULTA. Dior.
Definitely wasn't my cup of tea. What's up, y'all? It's your girl King Cora, and today we back at it again with another freaking banger. So today we're gonna do a little something different. I got $100 ULTA haul, so we finna test out all my products that I bought to see if they the truth or like what is given. You feel me? So let's get right into it. We not finna waste no more time. Let's get right into it. Oh, what I just dropped? I don't even know, y'all, but let me see. I'm trying to see the lighting. All right, y'all, so this my little setup for today. It's giving a little vibes. Don't mind my pink skirt. I actually just got this in the mail, so I was trying this on. But yeah, y'all, my boyfriend got me this little Hello Kitty mirror. It is so stinking cute, bitch. I love it. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so the first thing that we're going to start off with is my Mighty Tidy Body Sculpting Serum. I put this on my face basically to give like my cheekbones a little tightening, you know what I'm saying? Because I got some, well, in my opinion, I got some fat cheeks. So, and just put it on my skin. And y'all, you can feel the sensation when you're doing it. Like, it feels good and it smells even better, y'all. I'm telling you, it smells even better. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with my NYX pore filler. So we finna try it out because I want to see if it really makes a difference in my makeup, because I don't use primer or anything before I start my makeup routine. If anything, I probably do a little oil and call it a day, but we finna try it out. Ew, it's like creamy. I don't think I can see it, but it's like creamy, y'all. Like, what? Oh, yeah. I can feel it filling in my pores, so I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. So, we're gonna see how it does with my makeup, though. And y'all know the lashes are the same as the last video. Alice, they're by Alice, so y'all need to go shop, because like, let me get closer. Yeah, so the next thing that I got was a Chanel foundation. When I tell y'all it's the truth, bitch. You better go shop, bitch, because it's the truth, for real. But this is an ultra wear all day comfort flawless finish foundation. What the fuck? Foundation, and I got the shade BD 121, and it's really cute. This is like my winter color, so I don't know if this will work for me in the summer, but it definitely works for my winter shade right now. So I was in need of a new foundation. I wanted a new foundation. I don't know. And I'm gonna take like 2 pumps and just Alright, y'all, so now that we got that done, we're gonna go in with my concealer, which is the Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer. But yeah, and I got the shade Butterscotch, so It's like 2 shades lighter than my foundation basically. And I'm gonna just honestly, I'm gonna give this a few minutes, let it dry, and then we're gonna come back, because I feel like when it dries a little bit before you do it, it gives a better effect. So we'll see you guys. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna take my little, what is this called? Y'all, I ain't even do my eyebrows. What? Okay, but we're gonna come into it right after this, y'all. Honestly, I'm gonna take my tiny brush that I just bought, size eyeliner brush, diagonal brush tip on it, so it's easier to get like with eyelashes and corners and stuff like that. And I'm gonna just kind of take it up like this. I can blend it out with my big brush, but to get under my lashes, but it's really to do like my eyebrows. But I'm gonna use it as a multi-use brush because I don't even need it for different things. Yeah, I hope I did end up getting that eyeliner. I don't think I did. I'm gonna see it up here. I have picked up a freaking eyeliner, y'all, and I don't even see it up here. Y'all, I really gotta hurry up because my camera is dying. So next what I'm gonna do is take my pretty fresh y'all, why I can't get this out. Next I'm gonna take my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Pressed Face Powder. There's makeup on it, y'all. I was pulling with it yesterday when I bought it. I'm trying to see the shade I got. Oh, I got the shade Medium Dark 60. Okay, it's not gonna focus. Y'all said it for a good minute trying to make it focus. See. So let's put it on, and I love this powder, y'all. I'm so glad I picked it up because this is really a good powder, and it comes with a mirror and also the applicator. So, and just put a good little bit on here and just press it down into the places that you just put concealer at on your face. It really does a good job, y'all. I'm telling you. And just go in like this. Y'all still have not done my brows. That's so funny to me. But it's okay. Let me get to it. It's gonna be cute still. Alright, so now I'm gonna just let that sit. But what I'm also gonna go ahead and do is put my powder on top of it. I just didn't get my powder. I swore I thought I grabbed it, y'all. Hold on. Why Coda running in the door? I'm about to close the door. He running in here. Alright, so next I'm taking my Huda Beauty powder. I want it freaking. And I don't know what shit I got right now. It is Kunafa. I don't know, but I'm gonna just put it on the screen because I don't know how to say that, y'all. It's so dumb. Y'all have to come for me. But yeah, y'all. So let's get this. I use, where is it? Yeah. Y'all, I gotta hurry up. I gotta hurry up because I only got one battery on my camera. But y'all, I'm about to take this angled brush. It's just like this. You put your 2 fingers in it. So yeah, take this. As you can see, it's a lot, but just lightly dab it because a lot end up coming off on your applicator. And just bake the spots that you just did. And y'all, I've been watching the girlies on TikTok, how they be contouring their nose. I'm still trying to learn that. like really good though. They be doing it really good. I be like, how the fuck? Let's go ahead and start contouring my nose. So what I'm gonna do for my nose is take my little angled brush that I got. This is a concealer stick. It's the shade Maple Sugar. I'm not sure if it's by Maximum Coverage, which I'm quite sure it's not, but it says Maximum Coverage. I don't have the top of it or what it originally came in, so yeah. But take it down your nose. And then, yeah. So boom, we took it on my nose. I'm gonna let that sit until I do my powder, and then I'm gonna take it like this on my cheeks, just like this on my cheeks, and then a little bit on my forehead. Then we're gonna take my same blending brush. This is a blending face brush. I can't believe who it's by. Oh, it's by e.l.f. It's called Ultimate Blending Brush. So go grab it. It helps blend your makeup really good. It definitely made a difference because I didn't used to use brushes. I used to use sponges, but this definitely helps me as far as blending much better. Because sometimes I used to get on camera and be like, what the like I could have sworn I blended this out right and didn't. So alright, and now I'm gonna go back with my ColourPop concealer just a little bit and just outline this just a little bit more. Alright y'all, so now I'm gonna start my eyebrows. I know I started kind of weird, but now I'm gonna start my eyebrows. And here we go. I start from my fronts, and if I need to, I usually brush my eyebrows out, but I didn't. I don't have a brush beside me, and I'm tired of getting up, so I just make a few fake hairs and just to kind of fool them in a little bit, and then I go up under and I start defining my line under my eyebrow and the line above my eyebrow. I'm gonna lift my blonde hair so I don't get much on it. Let me get close for this so I can actually see. And that's all I do. It might look crazy now, but in a minute y'all finna change the game. Y'all gonna be like, ooh, it's not the way she Y'all, let me tell y'all about this freaking, oh gosh, my camera's dying. Okay, hurry up. So I'm gonna take my angle brush again, take my Born This Way Too Faced concealer, get a dab, and then just start filling it in. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna try to finish real quick. We're gonna do my lips. I had to finish my brows off camera. I'll just outline my lips like this. And I'm gonna honestly put the products and where they're from and what they're called in the shade on the screen, because yeah. But yeah, a good outline. And then I'm gonna go in with my Polite Society Big Mouth Lip Plumping Oil Gloss. Y'all, this is the truth too. This is the truth. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's the truth, y'all, for real. It really gives a good volume to your lips. And it's like mint flavors, so it smells good. I love it. Now, I'm gonna warn y'all. It definitely does burn, but it gives you the effect that you're looking for when it comes to your lips being plump. So it definitely lives by its name, Big Mouth. And then I'm also go with my ColourPop Ultra Lip. And then I'm gonna also go in with my ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip, and I'm gonna show y'all the shade. Give me a second. Oh my god, my camera's dying. Oh, it's in the shade 2313 Major Throwback. This is really cute. Alright, y'all, and boom! So this is my makeup. Let me get up close for y'all. I look like a Barbie doll. I'm a bad little bitch and I shit like a Barbie. Or whatever Blueface said, y'all, but let me show y'all in the mirror. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished product. As y'all can see, it looks flawless as ever. I love it, y'all. My curls falling, definitely. But I'm gonna take a few selfies to post for the gram. But yeah, so hopefully I get this uploaded on Wednesday because I work tomorrow. So, and I'm not actually, that was actually $150 if you're gonna be correct, because it did go over $100. But I feel like all of my products were definitely worth it. So definitely go to Ulta, shop some of those products. I'm gonna link all the products and their names and the shades all in the description box below, so you guys can go check them out yourself. But thank y'all for watching. I hope to see y'all back next time. Peace. We're into the new year, so I'm gonna try to post also every Sunday or Monday. Either one of those days y'all gonna catch an upload from me. So but yeah, y'all, stay tuned. I got a whole lot coming this year, so bye, y'all. Did I like this skirt? Not saying with this top because I'm not gonna put it with this top, but I get your ass. Hold up, hold up. And it showed a little, you feel me? Y'all, he be trying to fight me. Look, look, now he biting. Stop biting. Bye, y'all. Thank y'all for watching.